Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlink, exclude, or remove folders from OneDrive in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has completely loaded up and is ready to use. Once everything is running smoothly, you can begin the process of unlinking or excluding specific folders from your OneDrive sync. To start, navigate to your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the OneDrive icon, which typically appears in the system tray area near the clock. Click on this icon to expand the OneDrive menu. This menu gives you quick access to your OneDrive settings and features, making it easy to manage your cloud storage directly from your desktop. Once the menu expands, direct your attention to the top right part of this menu where you'll see a gear icon. This gear icon represents your settings and configuration options. Click on it and a context menu will appear with several options to choose from. From the list that appears, click on Settings to open the full OneDrive settings window. This is where you can control all aspects of how OneDrive operates on your computer. When the OneDrive settings window opens, you'll see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on Accounts to access your account-related settings. This section allows you to manage which folders are being synced between your computer and your OneDrive cloud storage, giving you control over what stays synchronized and what doesn't. Under the Accounts tab, you'll notice a button labeled Choose Folders. Click on this button to open the folder selection window. This is the crucial step where you can decide exactly which folders should remain linked to OneDrive and which ones you want to exclude. The window displays all your OneDrive folders with checkboxes next to each one. Now simply remove the check from the checkbox next to any folder you wish to unlink or exclude from OneDrive. By unchecking these boxes, you're telling OneDrive to stop syncing those specific folders to your computer. This is particularly useful if you want to free up local storage space or if certain folders don't need to be constantly synchronized. Take your time reviewing the list and unchecking any folders you no longer want to sync. Once you've configured your folder selections and removed the checkmarks from the folders you want to exclude, click on OK to save your changes. OneDrive will now process your request and stop syncing the folders you've deselected while keeping the rest of your files synchronized as normal. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked or excluded specific folders from OneDrive in Windows 11, giving you better control over your cloud storage and local disk space. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.